What's up, everyone? This is Elijah from Financial Anatomy, and in this video we're going to be talking about the Cash App. On this channel we talk about apps that involve money and real estate, and for this video in particular we're going to be covering exactly how do you replace your Cash App debit card should you need to do so. Now, first thing we want to cover is you should only want to replace your Cash App debit card, or Cash App card if you will, if it's been misplaced, stolen, or the information on the card has been compromised. The reason I say this is because there is a way to get a free replacement, but if you abuse this, you're going to eventually get charged. So with that being said, you want to start off by opening the Cash App up and clicking on the card icon in the bottom left hand corner. Once you're here, you want to scroll down and click on Cash Card Support. Once you're at Cash Card Support, click on Report Your Cash Card. Once you click on this, Cash App will ask you to tell them exactly what happened. Here's where you put the scenario, whether the card is missing, compromised, or stolen, or if the card is damaged. Click the response that's appropriate for your situation, and then you have an option to order a replacement card for free or design a new card starting at $5. To be honest, I don't really see all that point of designing some new fancy card. It's just a debit card. So I recommend you go with reorder existing. That way you can get this for free. Once you've selected your choice, you'll be asked to confirm your mailing address. So if your mailing address has changed, you want to update that here because this is where they're going to send the physical card. Once you're ready, click on Next, and the following will appear saying that your replacement card is on the way. Some things to note is that your original debit card is going to be deactivated, and it says it'll take about 2 weeks for you to get your physical card delivery wise, but in my experience it's always just taking about 4 to 7 business days. So that's just to kind of keep your expectations in line. And an important thing to note is that the moment that you do this, your new Cash App card will actually be ready to be used. You just won't have the physical card, but you can use your card on transactions. You can see your card information by going back to the Cash App and clicking on the card icon like you did before, except you'll have brand new information, and that information is ready to be used when you're ready. Just like before, this card is linked to your Cash App account. So if you want to make a purchase and you have the money to do so in your account, just enter that card information in the transaction screen of whatever you're trying to buy, and the transaction will go through, assuming your card isn't locked. That concludes this video on how to order a replacement card should you need it. If you found value in this video, giving it a thumbs up would be greatly appreciated. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new, if you want more information and videos on the Cash App. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.